What's up, guys? My name is Mark, and this is Drogo, and this is my very first YouTube video. And that's Bella. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody, and again, thank you for being here on my very first of hopefully many YouTube videos. So it's actually a beautiful day out, which is nice because it's been really kind of just dreary and rainy and overcast lately, and we had a little bit of sun coming through the window here, so I figured let's go on an adventure. We're actually going to take my motorcycle out, go for a little bit of a ride, and go check out this place called Circle B Bar Reserve. It's a really pretty beautiful nature preserve here in Lakeland. You can find a ton of wildlife, gators, birds, who knows what. Every time I go there I see something different, so I figured let's go out. I'm gonna bring my camera along, try and get some really cool nature shots, and even if we don't see anything cool, it's always a good day out in nature, spend some time amongst the trees and the forest. So with that said, let's go. Alright guys, we made it out here. Welcome to Circle B. And again, if you have not been out here, it is absolutely beautiful. Definitely recommend it. Nature therapy, I think, is completely underrated. I think if more people got out and did stuff like this every weekend, people would be a lot less stressed out. So go out, get out in nature, spend some time outdoors, get some vitamin D, man. It's a beautiful world we live in, so take advantage of it. But we're down this trail to I think it was called a Hidden Bridge Trail. Really not sure. I haven't been here in a long time, and they actually changed things around quite a bit. So we're just gonna explore and see what we find. Let's go.
If you go to Kennedy, my heaven.
So I ran into some water. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a pretty good puddle, and it actually gets deeper even up ahead. So I do not have the right shoes on for this, so we're gonna head back and find a different route to take and see where it takes us. Let's go. You know, sometimes life throws some obstacles in your way. Maybe it be a puddle of water or a mountain or a boulder, whatever it is. But you know what? You don't let that stop you. You find ways around. You keep moving forward, just like we about to do here. Come on. Alright, so we found a different route that is much drier, and not sure where it's leading, but we're gonna find out. And for those who can't tell, it is quite hot out today. It's was it February 15th, 16th? I don't know. But it's 87 degrees out right now, like 4 p.m. And what's crazy is right now the rest of the country has some kind of crazy snowstorm, blizzard, and cold front. Everywhere else is like freezing right now. And yeah, it's a little warm out. But you know what? I am very, very grateful for the heat. The fact that I'm out here able to do this. Not stuck indoors in the cold. Sorry to all my relatives and family and friends up north, but man, it's beautiful here. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see, but there is a beautiful bird right back there. So we're gonna try and get some pictures real quick and see what we can get. Alright guys, so we are on our way back. We probably hiked about a mile and a half or so. So got a good mile and a half back. Overall, had an amazing time. Saw a bunch of wildlife, birds, we saw a raccoon, some turtles, and we still got the trip back, so who knows what else we will see. And I don't know if you can tell, but it is absolutely beautiful. Look at this sky. Your life is good, y'all. Like I said, if you can, get outdoors, get outside, because it is so healing, and it's good for the soul, good for the heart, good for the body, the exercise, and yeah, it's just been a great day. All right, let's head back.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free.
Alright guys, just made it back to my bike. Overall had an amazing trip, saw a whole bunch of cool wildlife. Just saw actually an armadillo right on my way back like 5 minutes ago, and right on the path. Super friendly, really cool. But anyways, I want to thank you all for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed this trip, and if you want to see more, please give me a like and a subscribe, and I'm going to keep these videos coming for y'all. But thanks again for coming on my first YouTube video. Peace and love to all of you, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.